Hey everyone, this is M Reviews, and today we'll be going over the GROWNSY Postpartum Care Kit that can be found on Amazon. It was part of my registry. Would I add it again, or would I add it if I haven't already had a baby shower? Probably not, because I felt that I haven't touched anything in this kit because the hospital gave me everything that I needed. So this could have been used towards another registry purchase if you were thinking about possibly adding a postpartum kit. Unless you're having like a home birth, which even then I would recommend like hospital grade like items and hospital labeled items, because I felt that they worked better, because I did try one of the products and we'll go into how that worked with me. So I'm gonna start with everything that came inside of the box. It comes in a box, and I'll post a picture as like the thumbnail so you can see it. So this was the bag that came in there. It's just a bag that you can take to the hospital to collect hospital goods, or also like put everything in here and then also put it into your suitcase so that you have that ready. Some people prefer to leave this at home so that they can get everything that the hospital gives and then have this at home. It's up to your preference, honestly. And then it came with these cold pad liners, Herbal perineal cold pad liners. And if you have any vaginal tears or perineal tears, then you know just how important liners are. And also the cooling spray. It came with postpartum reusable hot and cold packs, and this is how it looks inside the bag. As you can see, I haven't touched anything, and I gave birth a long time ago now. This is the 2 reusable packs. If you want it cold, you have to put it in your freezer for a little bit. If you want it hot, you just warm it up for, it tells you how many seconds on the back. They're right about here. If you want it cold, you have to put it in the freezer for at least 4 hours prior to use. So it's not like a right now thing, it's for 4 hours. If you want it hot, you can put it in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds, depending on the watts of your microwave, or you can soak it in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Always remember to test the temperature, things like that. Don't apply for more than 20 minutes each time, at a time. So this is that, and then it came with these little pockets. So in these pockets, you would insert the cold pack in. Like here's the opening for that. And it's supposed to just like slip through there, which it looks like it's a little bit difficult to even get it in here. So you're gonna be kind of like fighting with it a little bit. As you can see, to kind of like get it down all the way. So took a little bit to get that in there, but, and then this can be added inside these disposable underwears that they gave. These were good, but the reason why I didn't use them is because, again, the hospital gave me all of these and more, and not only do they give it to you, they give you an abundance of it. So, and it came with the room that you're paying for at the hospital. So it's like, okay, might as well, why not? So this gets added on to right here, the cooling spray, and then how it would go, you put that. And then it didn't come with any pads. If it did come with the pad, then you would put like a pad. Some people would put the pad, but on the pad at the hospital, they would put a pad, and then they would put like this cooling liner. Then they would put, which I'm gonna show you like how we did at the hospital and everything else. But so this is how that would go with this, I guess. So after you put this, you would just put the cooling pad liner. You can use the cooling spray as well too. After like bathing or using the toilet, that's what we usually use this for, just to kind of like clean yourself up a little bit. And the hospital also gave this, but this also comes with like a PERI bottle, which is used to like clean yourself up after like toileting, or to wash yourself like in the morning, because it will be bloody. So it also has a cap if you want to keep it sanitary. Has a cap on there. I may use this in the future only because I may use it to bathe my son, but if it's for yourself, you can also use it for yourself like at any time. I don't believe that it has to be like a lot of this stuff, you can use it at any point in time, even if you didn't use it for postpartum essentially. But this is the PERI bottle. This is how it looks. So these are all the things that came with the GROWNSY kit. I found that these cooling pad liners, I tried one of them just to see, and it burned. It burned me. Wasn't a fan. After that moment, I stopped using them, and I thought it was just me. So I did try the ones that I got from the hospital, and they were perfectly fine. So that led me to believe that this just didn't fare well with me. I'm not sure if there's an ingredient in there that just didn't work out for me, but this is how the pad looks, and it does have like a really strong scent. So I can read you on the back here. It has like witch hazel extract, glycerin, propanol, glycol. You can also see what is in the cooling pack ingredients on their website, but it just didn't work for me at all. And the cooling spray as well too, it's essentially like the same ingredients that's found in the liners. It's found inside the cooling spray. And after the one time, I was one and done. So never use these again, but I did get an abundance of items from the hospital. So I felt that this whole kit, if someone's having a home birth, maybe, but even then, you know, the best part of the kit would be like, you know, these liners, the cold pack, and the underwear, the PERI bottle. I felt like the cooling pad liners, the cooling spray, and then the GROWNSY bag. Like, this is cute, but I'm pretty sure you have these at home. I wouldn't spend my money on it. If it's something that I can save and just find elsewhere or for cheaper, then I would recommend that, because this whole kit ran about, I believe, like $40 something, which is something that you can possibly put together at home, or just, you know, getting supplies either through a hospital. If you're having a home birth, maybe the home birth place may bring those items for you as well too. So I would check before spending the money, because again, I don't think that this was worth the purchase, being that I did get everything. And if I didn't, then I'd possibly, if I can go back, or even if I couldn't go back, I'd possibly end up buying from Amazon the hospital ones, just because I felt like they work better for me. So thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and there'll be more coming soon.